Now, y'all know, I told y'all time and time again, do not let those negative people back into your lives. I mean, you can see the writing on the wall. They betrayed you. They betrayed others. They talk about you behind your back, say slick shit in front of your face that purposely is meant to offend you. But they say it in a joking manner, or they ask shady questions, which they already knew the answer to. I know this gets you angry, mad, upset, and you say things like, I'm through with her, I'm through with him, I'm never going around that person again. They are just nasty and negative, and it gets you mad. Well, this is how you release your anger. Anger is a natural emotion, but you say you recognize that holding on to it can be toxic for me. And you say, I look at the person who has caused me pain and see them as the human being they are. And you release the anger and feel free. And you say that freeing yourself and expanding to love. When you free yourself, you expand your options to love. And you cut off those people in your life. Don't let that bitch kill your vibe. Like, you know what anger can cause health-wise? Anger causes stress. Stress causes heart disease. Stress causes people to overeat. Stress causes you to lose sleep. Stress actually causes physical changes inside your body and outside your body. And it can cause you to overeat and indulge in foods that are not good for you. That grease, sugar, all that can have negative effects on your body and brain. Prime example. Somebody letting a bitch kill their vibe over and over. These two people met at work. They got to know each other over maybe a couple of years. They start hanging out. These are two women. They start hanging out. And the older person starts saying sly shit to the younger person. This younger person was in shape, hair looking right, she wore the baddest clothes, and this older person, she was okay too. I mean, she kept herself together, but she always had a jealous and envious bug in her body. And this younger person would speak about their relationship, and the reason she left the relationship is because the man cheated. And the older person said, why would you get in a relationship like that? The same reason that you got into a relationship and you found out your husband was cheating on you and you constantly took him back until you couldn't take it anymore. So she would gaslight and say, why would you do that? Like, the younger girl chose a man who would cheat on her on purpose. Like, and then she would say something like, oh, the younger girl would dye her hair. and everybody, was giving her compliments. Oh, that's cute. Oh, yeah, you look good. This older woman said, I would never dye my hair multiple colors. Okay. That's you and your choice. And that's why you look plain all the time. Like shady shit like that. Like, you don't want unhappy people like that around you. And then when this younger person would tell, like, bad things that happened to her, she would bring it up just out the blue in front of people. What? Are you serious? Like, this is conversation between you and her, and why would you bring it up in front of people you work with together, collectively, but you two are not that close with those outsiders? Why would you bring that situation up in front of people? So she wanted everybody to know how bad this young girl was doing when her life was messed up to hell. Like, people who constantly bring you down and try to highlight your messed up life, their life is 100 times worse. And they try to bring their focus on you and take it off of them. I'm telling you, y'all quit doing that shit. Y'all mad all the time. You can't say no to people. You're the yes girl, yes man. It's like crazy. I was a yes girl more than 20 years ago, probably 30 years ago. But I was like, I'm running myself ragged, taking these people places, interrupting my schedule with my kids, and I really don't want to do it, but I'm afraid what they'll think of me. I'm afraid they'll talk about me to my other family members. I'm afraid they won't talk to me anymore. Well, fuck it. If you won't talk to me because I won't take you somewhere, that's your problem. Like, why would you depend on a single mother who's raising boys to take you places all the time? You don't have any kids. You can catch the bus. You can call your friends over. Friends in quotes. But why would you, depend on a single mother to do that? Like, that's crazy. Like, all the people you F with, you claim F with you, can't do that for you? Like, I used to give people money, pay their light bill, fill the gas tank up, and they would still find something to talk about me about. Like, what is wrong with you? I'm helping you. But 3 days later, I can't stand her. She making me sick. What am I doing? Living well? Taking care of myself? Ugh, I can't stand her. And these are your own family members. These are all your own family members. And the reason why I know this is because it's a certain family member that told me everything. And I'm not the gossiping type, so I keep it to myself. Okay. Oh, okay. And keep that person at a distance. Unless it's brought up to me, and then I'll tell them. unless I'm trying to take up for myself, and then I'll say, well, I found out this about you. But that was like 20, 30 years ago. I don't do that no more. Like, I love my peace. I don't care what a bitch has to say about me. Under no circumstance. And you shouldn't either. You shouldn't go around people because you feel pressured. You shouldn't jump on the bandwagon because you feel pressured. You shouldn't jump on the bandwagon and start this gossiping, childish, high school stuff with other people because you feel that you'll be left out of the popular crowd. And we know what happens to that popular crowd. We know the popular crowd is popular because they're messy. They don't have nothing to show for in life. That's why they're messy. Anyway, what I told you, don't let them negative people back into your life because they're only sent to destroy what you built up through hate, through their hateful energy, through their hateful thoughts, and through their hateful backstabbing. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Until next time.